Business Overview module in Hybrid MLM. In a hybrid MLM software, Business Overview module plays a crucial role in providing a snapshot of the total business performance and overall figure. Let's take a look at how we can activate this module. For this, go to the settings and select the module option. Select the layout module pool. Here you can able to see the business overview module. This module is already activated. If you need to deactivate, click the deactivate button or can be uninstalled by clicking the uninstall button. Before discussing about the business overview, let's check the business overview configuration. For this, go to the business overview configuration. This is a business overview module configuration. Here you can able to see the filter type and default selection. In filter type, there is two options. First one is a filter between date ranges. By selecting this, the business overview can be filtered between two date ranges. And the second one is a filtered among given duration. That means selecting or sorting data that falls within a specific time frames in a business overview. Here you can see the default selection option. Here you can filter the business overview module in the following options like last week, last quarter, etc. When we come back to the admin dashboard, when we come back to the admin dashboard, here you can see the business overview. The first one is the total sales. This figure represents the sum of all sales and purchases within the MLM organization. Second one is the total commission. The total commission, you can see the total commission amount. And the third, the total payout. Total payout in the business overview module of a hybrid MLM represent the sum of all payments made to distributors including commission, bonus and incentive. Third one is the total users. Here you can see the number of total users in the system. And the last two, the most selling package and low selling package. The number of most selling packages and low selling packages can be displayed here. Below the business overview, you can see an income overview here. Here shows the amount in each wallet in the system, like in business wallet or coin wallet, ePIN, etc. This is all about the business overview module in hybrid MLM.